morning, students. Warmly welcome to Others Educational Institutions. It's my pleasure welcome you all to the online class. Now, today we discuss the new topics for electricity. You have already learned about the electricity in the lower classes. Have not you or as well as? Well, electricity deals with the flow of electric charges through a conductor. As a common term, it refers to form of energy. The usage of electric current in our day-to-day life in every important and indispensable. You are already aware of the fact that it is used in houses, educational institutions, hospitals, industries, and then etc. Therefore, its general generations and transmissions becomes a very crucial aspect of our life. In this lesson, you will learn various terms used in understanding the concept of electricity. Eventually, you will realize the importance of the appliances of electricity in day-to-day situations. So, in the end of the lessons, the students will be able to make an electric circuit, differentiate between electrical potential and a potential difference, and what is electrical resistivity and a conductivity, and known the effective resistance of a system of resistors connected in series and parallel, and understanding the heating effect of the electric current, and define electric power, electrical energy, and explain domestic electric circuits, and known the modern appliances such as LED bulbs and LED televisions. So now the first topic, the electric current. The motion of an electric charges, that means electrons, through a conductor will constitute an electric current is similar to the flow of water through a channel or flow of air from a region of higher pressure to region of lower pressure. In a similar manner, the electric current passes from positive terminal, that means the higher electric potential of a battery, to the negative terminal, that means a lower electric potential, through a wire. So this is the figure. So the positive terminals and the negative, it gives the positive terminals and the negative direction of flow of charge. So the current, it will be flow of charge, positive terminal to negative terminals. This is the direction of current. Direction of current flows. So current passes from positive terminal, that means higher potential, to battery of a negative terminal. And then next one is a, what is electric current and electricity? In this lesson is electricity. What's the difference? What is the electric current and electricity? The electric current refers to the movement or flow of charges. That means most commonly that means the flow of through a metal wire. It's a name given to the flow of electrons through a medium. The electricity is a generic name that's used for the common flow of energy to power all the electric stuff. What is the difference between the electric current and the electric current and then electricity? So the electricity is a general term used to call electric energy, but the electric current is a physical quantity of electrical energy which defines amount of electrons. The electric current refers to the movement or flow of charges. And then what are the types of currents? So there are two types of currents are there. So one is the direct current, that means a DC, and then alternating current, that means AC. The electrons in direct current flows in one direction. The current produced by a battery is direct current. The electrons in alternating current flows in one direction, then the opposite directions over and over again. So the direct connections is only one direction, flow in one direction. The alternating current flows in opposite directions over and over again. So next one, if you have any doubts, so one more doubts, I am under you also. So which current is used in our home, in home or house, as well as a business electrical appliances? So this one also, which current we are using, alternating current or direct current? So alternating current only they have to use in electricity in the types of electricity commonly used in homes and business throughout the world, while the direct current electricity flows in one direction through a wire. The alternating current, current electricity alternates its directions in back and forth motions. So back and forth motions. Definition of electric current. The electric current is often termed as the current, and it is represented by the symbol I. It is defined as the rate of flow of charge. It is defined as the rate of flow of charge in a conductor. It means the electric current represents the amount of charge flowing in any cross section area of a conductor in a unit time. If a net charge Q passes through any cross section of a conductor in time, that means T, then the current flows through the conductor is I is equal to Q by T. That means I is equal to current and Q is equal to charge, that means net charge, and divided by T. T means for time, that means cross section area of a conductor. And then SI unit of current. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, that means A. When the current flows through the conductor is said to be 1 ampere. When a charge of 1 coulomb flows cross any cross section of a conductor in 1 second, that means 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 seconds. 1 coulomb by 1 seconds. That means ampere is equal to coulomb by seconds. So for example, I given a solved problems, one more solved in a electric current. A charge of 12 coulomb flows through a bulb in 5 seconds. A charge of 12 coulomb flows through a bulb in 5 seconds. What is the current through the bulb? So if we find out the current, so if the given value charge Q is equal to 12 coulomb C, 12 C, that means a coulomb, and the time T 5 seconds. Therefore I is equal to Q by T. If I know the formulas, I is equal to Q by T. Q is equal to 12 divided by T is equal to 5. So it gives 2.4 ampere. 2.4 ampere. So if you take a classwork note and then write the solved problems. So take a new pages, that means a new lessons. That's why if you have take a new pages and to write the lesson name and then date and write the solved problems. And then electric circuit. An electric circuit is a closed conducting loop or path which has a network of electrical components through which electrons are able to flow. This path is made using electrical wires so as to connect an electric appliances to a source of electric charges, that means a battery. A schematic diagram of an electric circuit comprising of a battery, an electric bulb, and switches are there. So this is the simple electric circuit. So if I connect the battery, if I using a battery, and ampere and then key and then bulb and then resistance. So the current is flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. This is the direction of flowing charges. So this is the simple circuit. So if a simple circuit, they are using battery, key, ampere, that means ampere positive and negative terminals, and then resistance and then bulb. This is the simple circuit. And the next one is in the circuit, the switch is on, the bulb will be glows. It is a switch is off, the bulb does not glow. Therefore, the circuit must be closed in order that the current passes through it. The potential difference required for the flow of charge is provided by the battery. The electrons flow from the negative terminal to the positive terminal of the electrons flows negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. By convention, the direction of current is taken as the direction of flow of positive charge or opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. So the current will be flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. The electrons are flows from negative terminal to positive terminal. The current passes in circuit from positive terminal to negative terminal. So the electrical components. Next we see the electrical components. The electric circuit is given already shown in the figure. Such a battery, switch, bulb, all these components can be represented by using certain symbols. This is easier to represent the components of a circuit using their respective symbols. The symbols that are used to represent some commonly used components are given in table. That means if I see the table, the uses of components are also summarized in the table. So first one, the components, the resistors, the symbols are used in up and down fluctuations, the resistors, and variable resistance are a rheostat. Ammeter, that means A, voltmeter, and this one's a V, galvanometer, that is denoted as a G, and diode is means like a triangle, that means like an anode and cathode. Positive terminal is anode and the negative terminal is cathode. And light emitting diode, light emitting, that means a LED, and ground connections. This is the component name, and then this is the symbol of components, and then uses of components. So resistors is used to fix the magnitude of the current through the circuit. The variable resistors are rheostat. It is used to select the magnitude of the current through the circuit. An ammeter to measure the current, and voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference, and galvanometer is used to indicate the direction of current. And a diode has various uses which you will study in higher classes. Light emitting diode, that means LED. The LED has various uses which you will study in higher classes. And ground connections is used to provide protection to the electrical components. It is also serves as a reference point to measure the electric potentials. So this is the today's lessons over. So you should not skip the videos. So you must watch and answers clearly in a MCQ questions. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.